cool find here. It's right at the head of my rake. Let me wipe off this. It's fogged up, I guess. But I'm finding marbles and stuff. I'll show you here in a minute. But see if you can see what I got. Got an axe head. Look at this. Huh. Little iron axe head. Come over here. Show you some of this stuff. I've been here like a half hour. I got some bottles, weird looking bottles, and there's another one that's weird. Got this one that says Baker or Park Davis on it. It's cork top. It's probably some kind of medicine. All of these. There's a lipstick container. This one here says Moro line on it. All the way around it on every flat piece. It's embossed. That's kind of cool, and it's got a bunch on the bottom. Got a bunch of these different things here. Got a big spoon. It's definitely silver plate or silver. You can see it on there. Let me see. I'll get these. Got a couple marbles. Nothing spectacular. You can see down there. Look at all that glass. See, there's a couple marbles. That one's like Coke bottle looking. But I'm getting stuff. I'll get something good. I got a button. It's got designs on it. But anyway, I'll get back if I find anything good later. I'm in an undug area over here, and I'm serious. 100% truth. I just showed you that stuff. Showed you these bottles and just found that axe head right there. Took 3 more rakes in here, and I picked this up already. I can't tell what it is, but it's a token of some kind. It's a big token. Wow. Let me get this cleaned off and I will get back. I can see a head on it right there. I'll get it cleaned up and I will show you here in just a minute. This is an awesome find. Later. Well, it's some kind of, let me wipe this off. Filthy. It's some kind of commemorative token. I'm at the top of the dump. This is newer, but it's still vintage. It's like 40 or 50 years old. It says swimming at the top. Dawn Scholander. And it says something about the '64 Olympics on it. And it's a token. I think it's aluminum, but I can't tell. I'll get it cleaned up and I'll show you pictures. That's a cool find. That's kind of nice. Later. Kind of stuff I'm raking in there. There's lots of junk in here, but I just got a nice marble. Let me wipe it off here. It looks like a vintage marble can, but it's got some really nice color to it. Yeah, it does. Wow, it's pretty nice. Look at that. Whoa. It's got turquoise in it, yellow, white, and then over here it has multiple colors. Has like a brown and peach and red. That's pretty nice. You can see the patch here on the side. I'd say this is St. Mary's Marble King from the 40s or 50s. Later fix. I'm into the nice marbles over in this section again. This is separate from that place I found all the last ones. But right here, just a few rakes after that other one, a 2-color cat eye with white and baby blue. Look at that. Wow. That's a beautiful one. It's a vintage one too. It's probably St. Mary's Marble King. St. Mary's, West Virginia is where these were produced. Later fix. I just got a great marble. I raked it up in there at the top. I thought it was just a red common one, but I picked it up and wiped it off already. I already picked it up, but check this out, folks. Look at the swirls in this. It's orange and the red, and it's a clear base. You can see into the marble. It's still dirty, but it's awesome. That's a beauty. Wow. Later fix. I'm on to the marbles again. Getting nice ones today. I'm finding stuff consistently. Later. But up here I got an awesome marble. Raked right down out of the top of this bank. It's a beauty. It's right here. Let me wipe it off real quick in my shirt. I just raked it out. Oh, it's nice. Probably an acro or an alley. Look at that. Wow, that's beautiful. It's just cobalt blue, and the cobalt blue's clear. You can see into the marble. Look at the swirls on that. That's a nice one. Well, anyway, I'll get back at you on my next find later. Look at this awesome bottle. Let me wake this off. It says Stratford Johnny Bull Root Beer. And look at that green bottle. Wow. And then on the back it says Wheeling, West Virginia. That's a keeper. Check that out. Awesome find. Let me see what it... 1950. Yep, 1950. Wheeling bottle. That's awesome. Later. Check out this old... Let me wipe this screen off. It's horrible, humid and hot today. But check out this. It's got grapes and leaves embossed all over it. And it says wine on the bottom. See, this is from the 40s. It says 1 pint there. The label would have been on this side, but look at all that embossing. Grapes and leaves. That's awesome. Nice bottle. Later. Alright, I got my first nice Coke of the day, and it's perfect. And it says Sistersville, West Virginia right on the bottom. I haven't found one of these in several trips. They're not common in this dump. I have some, but I'm on them now. I'm way back in under there raking. Later. Alright, I got some kind of other little token. It says 25 cents on it, and it says 1956 on it. I'll have to get it cleaned up and show pictures. I can't really, it's corroded up. I'll have to clean it up, but there's writing on the back too. So this is the second like token thing today. Later. Alright, this is a keeper. Check this out. Atlas Special Mason. It's a real short one. It's perfect. The lid's rusted off, but I can get that off and get it all cleaned up and put a new one on. That's cool. Very cool. Never seen a short one like that. Later. Alright. Right here is, I just got this old fork. But right here is a piece off of Clarington, Ohio crock, and that would have been worth over $1,000. You can see it right there. Clarington, Ohio. And it's got the Jacobs, I think. Oh, that would have been nice. It's too bad that's all broke up. Clarington, Ohio, that's a rare crock. That's $1,200–$1,500, maybe even more than that if that one was whole. Later. Yeah, this is a nice bottle. Man, it's perfect. It's huge. It's 24 ounces. It says JF Searling, C-I-E-R-I-N-G, Youngstown, O. All right, that's a day maker. It's even good. It says registered back here. I'd say it's a big wine or a beer, and look, it has a big embossed C right there in the middle. That's nice. All right, later. Might be a soda, I'm not sure. It says GBS, Baltimore, Maryland. Trademark, and has an arrow going through it there. I'm not sure what this is, but that's pretty nice. I'm in a good layer, old layer. Look at these crocks, they're all busted up. Got multiple crocks in here. There's just all kinds of old stuff back in there. Later. Alright, it got a whole figurine. It looks like a Trojan horse. It's all there. It's old too. Got another one of these bottles. I think that's a peacock. I got a compact that's sealed. Got an old trap. That'll be clean. I can soak that and clean it up. But that's about it. I'm still digging back in there. You can see I'm getting a wall going. Man, there's old stuff back in there. Later. Another one of these little plastic cars. It's been a while since I found one of these. This one says Mercedes right there. Kit Kat, but check out this. I'm going deeper. Look at this old plate. It's a shame that corner's gone there. But look at that leaf that rotates up over the keyhole. This was probably off an old trunk. That's a shame that's not whole, but that's still cool. I'm gonna take that. That's nice. Later. Alright, I just got 2 more of these little cars and they're perfect. They'll clean up nice and they have the name of the car on the back of them here. I'll have to show you pictures of them. I don't, but I'm finding pieces of Crocs and I'm going way deeper there. You can see I've been digging hard today. I'm finding stuff, but not a bunch of great stuff. I got 3 of these cars now. Got that Mason there and that lock and the spoon, and that would have been a year maker. A Clarington, a high Croc. I'll get one eventually. Later.